How does Anas radiallahu ta'ala anhu describe the day the Prophet ﷺ came to Medina and left Medina? He said, لما كان اليوم الذي دخل فيه رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. The day the Prophet ﷺ entered into Medina, not a year later, the very day that he set foot into Medina, into our world, into Medina. أضاء منها كل شيء. Everything in the city lit up. Was he talking about street lights? Was he talking about artificial light? What did he mean by that? Everything in the city was touched by that light. And the day that he died, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, everything went dark. It was as if everything went dark the day that he left us, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And what is he speaking about? The change in hearts. That we immediately felt a shift in our hearts. From the moment that we buried him, alayhi salatu wassalam, his presence brought light to us, changed everything about our being. The way we viewed each other, the way we viewed ourselves, our family relations, our business relations, our view of life and death changed with this man, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in such a short period of time.